Okay. So the topic is the size of the wall. So many students have queries regarding the size of the wall. They told me, sir, make a video and explain why the size of the walls vary. So here we see in an IC engines we have the inlet and we have the exhaust valve. So the size plays a very important and significant role in the working of the fluids. So here you can see in the inlet valve we have the atmospheric pressure, means the air and the fuel that will enter from the atmospheric pressure to the in-cylinder pressure. And here in the exhaust valve, the high pressure that is being developed is exhausted to the atmosphere. So here the difference is the fluid flow. So always remember, students, the difference is due to the fluid flow. So the inlet valve dimension is always greater than the dimension of the exhaust valve. Why? Because we require a fresh charge to come inside the cylinder. So we require the size of the inlet wall to be more as compared to size of the exhaust valve, that is less. So as we know that when we will reduce the area, the velocity will increase, hence the exhaust gases will flow out from the exhaust valve. So very important, student, is always remember the diameter of the inlet valve is greater than the diameter of the exhaust valve, and always remember the inlet valve temperature is less than the exhaust valve temperature. This temperature is more. So this exhaust valve is made up of silicon chrome steel, whereas the inlet valve is made up of chromium alloy steel, nickel chromium alloy steel. So here the temperature is less and here the temperature is more. So students, always remember the inlet and the exhaust valve, both the dimensions of the valves vary. The inlet dimension is more, whereas the exhaust dimension is less. Okay, so is it clear from this particular video? More amount of flow is required during the intake, and the exhaust, already the pressure has generated a very high velocity that will require a small area so that it will move out from the exhaust valve. So the fluid flow is very important when we consider the dimension of the exhaust valve. Making an area small will increase the velocity, and hence the discharge from the engine combustion will be sent out to the